So this is the moment of truth. CTEK BMW may or may not come back in good order.
För att blåsa igång principen så att säga, men annars är det in med lite skvätt bränsle där i som upp med tändstickarna på sätt.
We are standing on about 4 meters of ice in a lake somewhere in the middle of Sweden. It has a name, I've forgotten what it's called, but it's all good. And in fact, we actually are at this speed weekend and it's been amazing. So it might look like the Saltflats, it might look like Bonneville, but it's actually all ice as far as the eye can see until the horizon. And that's the bit you don't want to hit if you go too fast. There's all kinds of crazy vehicles here, but one thing's for sure, you need some grip. And for most of the guys, they have these crazy spikes. I'm actually queuing up for this right now behind lots of really sporty cars, so we'll see what happens.
Sounds good, Peter. You know what CTEK?
I nailed that, so going into the gate was about 140 something, and as I went through about 175, so I guess maybe, just maybe, we might have managed 100 miles an hour or 160 kilometers an hour. Let's fingers crossed and see what happens with the times in it. Drive a bike into your living room and just keep on going to the ice.